G'day mates, welcome to Sydney, a city that never ceases to amaze. Sydney, just the name conjures up images of adventure, right? It's a place where the urban landscape meets the wild, untamed beauty of nature. This city is a wild mix of urban jungle and stunning natural beauty. You can find skyscrapers standing tall next to lush green parks, creating a unique blend that's hard to find anywhere else. From the moment you arrive, you can feel the energy. It's infectious. The hustle and bustle of the city, combined with the friendly smiles of the locals, make you feel right at home. Sydney is a city that begs to be explored. Every corner has a story to tell. Every street has a secret waiting to be discovered. One thing is for sure, Sydney knows how to make a statement. When the sun sets, the city lights up in a dazzling display, showcasing its impressive skyline. Two iconic landmarks dominate the skyline: the Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. These are not just structures, they are symbols of Sydney's vibrant culture and history. These structures are more than just buildings. They are masterpieces of architecture and engineering, each with its own story to tell. They represent the spirit of this incredible city, a spirit that is bold, innovative, and full of life. I've been lucky enough to travel the world, tackling some of the toughest terrains. But Sydney holds a special place in my heart. But let me tell you, few sights have taken my breath away quite like Sydney's iconic duo. The way the Opera House glows in the evening light, and the Harbour Bridge stands majestically against the skyline, is simply mesmerizing. Trust me, these landmarks are bucket list worthy. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or just someone looking to soak in the beauty, Sydney has something for everyone. Let's talk about the Sydney Opera House. This architectural marvel is instantly recognizable. Its unique, sail-like design seems to defy gravity. It's a masterpiece of modern engineering. The Opera House was designed by a Danish architect named Jørn Utzon. Construction began in 1959 and took 14 years to complete. Can you believe that? Talk about dedication. The building officially opened in 1973. Today, the Opera House is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a symbol of Australia's cultural ambition and creativity. The Opera House hosts over 1,500 performances each year. It is a truly global stage. I remember the first time I saw a performance at the Opera House. I was blown away by the acoustics. The sound was crystal clear. It was like the music was wrapping around me. The atmosphere inside the Opera House is electric. You can feel the history and the passion in every corner. Whether you're into opera, ballet, or theater, there's something for everyone. The best part? You don't need to attend a performance to appreciate the Opera House. Simply walking around the exterior is an experience in itself. Take a moment to admire the intricate tile work. Look closely, you'll notice that each tile is unique. Section 4. Beyond the performance. After your Opera House adventure, head over to the Opera Bar. This vibrant spot is a favorite among both locals and tourists. It's the perfect spot to soak in the atmosphere. The lively ambience, coupled with the stunning backdrop of the Opera House, makes it an unforgettable experience. Grab a drink and enjoy the stunning harbour views. Whether it's a refreshing cocktail or a glass of fine wine, the Opera Bar offers a wide selection to suit every taste. It's an experience you won't forget. The combination of great company, delicious drinks, and breathtaking views creates memories that last a lifetime. From the Opera Bar, you can hop on a ferry. These ferries are a fantastic way to explore the vast and beautiful Sydney Harbour. Explore the harbour and discover hidden coves. Each cove has its own unique charm and offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city. It's a great way to experience Sydney from a different perspective. The ferry ride provides panoramic views of the skyline and the natural beauty of the harbour. Trust me, the views are incredible. You'll want to have your camera ready to capture the stunning scenery. Sydney is a city that knows how to combine culture and adventure. From its iconic landmarks to its thrilling activities, there's something for everyone. The Opera House is a prime example of this. Its architectural brilliance and cultural significance make it a must-visit. It's a place where you can challenge your mind and feed your soul. Whether you're attending a world-class performance or simply exploring its stunning interiors, the Opera House offers a rich and fulfilling experience. Section 5. A Bridge to Remember. Now let's talk about the other star of the show, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. This iconic structure is not just a bridge, it's a symbol of the city itself. Stretching across the sparkling waters of Sydney Harbour, it stands as a testament to the city's architectural prowess and its vibrant history. This steel giant is an engineering marvel. Its robust design and intricate steelwork make it one of the most recognizable bridges in the world. The sheer scale and complexity of its construction are awe-inspiring. It connects the northern and southern shores of Sydney Harbour, serving as a vital link for the city's transportation network. Every day, thousands of vehicles, trains, and pedestrians traverse this magnificent structure. The bridge is affectionately known as the coat hanger. This nickname comes from its distinctive arch shape, which resembles a giant coat hanger suspended over the water. Can you guess why? Look at its shape. The arching design is not just for aesthetics, it also provides the necessary strength and stability to support the bridge's massive weight. Construction on the bridge began in 1923 and took 8 years to complete. This monumental task required immense planning, resources, and manpower. Over 1,400 men worked on this incredible project. Their hard work and dedication are etched into every rivet and beam of the bridge. The Harbour Bridge is a symbol of Sydney's ambition and progress. It represents the city's growth and its aspirations for the future. It's a testament to human ingenuity. The bridge's design and construction techniques were groundbreaking at the time and continue to inspire engineers and architects around the world. The bridge is not just a mode of transport. It's a vital artery that keeps the city moving, connecting people and places seamlessly. It's a destination in itself. Tourists flock to the bridge to take in its breathtaking views, and many even climb to the top for an unforgettable experience. The Sydney Harbour Bridge truly is a bridge to remember.